Check it out, guys. If you have a 2023 Toyota Tundra and you want to give it a better upgraded look but not sure where to start, this is one of the type of setups that you can go with. So we got this 2023 Toyota Tundra brand new. Our customer wanted to have a bigger look of tires with the leveling kit, make sure the truck sits nice and level. So we went ahead and sourced them and installed this Readylift leveling kit. Readylift is one of the best brands that you can go with for your truck. Can't beat the quality in terms of leveling. For the tires, we put these 295 70/18 Toyo RT Trail tires, one of the newest tires from Toyo. Not loud, but it has got that nice aggressive look. So with this leveling kit, this is the biggest tire you can go with. You know, if you want that off-road look, no rubbing. And we also installed these TRD Pro wheels. So this thing came out absolutely sick. A nice simple setup, nothing too crazy. So if you're interested in doing one of these for your truck, your Toyota, Ram, Chevy, Ford, whatever it might be, visit us here at Cosmos Truck Accessories. Expert install, expert service to make your dream vehicle a reality.